Welcome to Chennai, India, home of a beautiful tropical dry forest. There are many of these forests around the world, including places such as Africa, South and Central America, Mexico, Australia, tropical islands, and India. The climate in Chennai, India's tropical dry forest stays mostly warm throughout the year. The coldest months are November to March, and the temperature usually stays around 75 to 80 degrees. The warmer months include April through October, and their temperatures range from about 82 to 90 degrees. The dry season occurs in the months of January through June with 0 to 2 inches of rain. During the wet season, the months of July through December receive 2 to 14 inches of rain per month, with October and November being the rainiest months. The best time to visit Chennai is in the months of November through February. On this trip, we will be taking tours through the forest. Some wildlife we might encounter includes tigers, monkeys, elephants, Indian rhinoceroses, and hog deer. Some birds include the great pied hornbills, pied harriers, and spot-billed pelican. There is also a variety of reptiles including snakes and monitor lizards. The forest is also home to a variety of frogs, raccoons, squirrels, and rabbits. Some trees you might find in Chennai are tall deciduous trees that form a dense canopy during the wet season. Other plants include ironwood trees, orchids, vines, ferns, mosses, and palm plants that thrive in the dry forest. Most plants in the tropical dry forest develop very thick, deep, large root systems to gather as much water as possible to adapt to the dry season. Some interesting biology about tropical dry forests is how species cooperate, the circle of life, and why this biome is important. An example of a species cooperating would be the relationship between an acacia tree and ants. The tree has a whole network inside where the ants may live. In return, the ants get protection from the tree. This is a food web representing the circle of life for tropical dry forests. This biome is important because the trees are home to a variety of birds and many animals. The only threat to this biome is that humans are cutting down the trees. The endangered species that are living in this biome include the zebra, cheetah, and lemurs. The only fear of climate change is that it is getting warmer each year. Every day there will be an option to go on a morning or afternoon hike with a tour guide. We will also be touring the cities in and surrounding Chennai. There will also be a safari day and a variety of cultural dinners. The trip is $6,107 per person. It includes airfare, hotels, transportation, and tour fees. Here's a checklist of what to pack. There is no State Department warnings to travel to this area. Hope to see you there!